गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। अभी तक हम रैशनल नंबर्स के अंदर इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट पढ़ चुके हैं और प्रॉपर्टीज़ में क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी और कम्यूटेटिविटी पढ़ चुके हैं। आज हम एसोसिएटिविटी पढ़ेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी। वी विल स्टडी एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी इन होल नंबर्स, इंटीजर्स एंड रैशनल नंबर्स, and we take three whole numbers a, b, c as 1, 2 and 4. हमने तीन होल नंबर लिए a, b, c 1, 2 और 4। अब हम इनमें एडिशन देखेंगे। a plus b that is 1 plus 2 is 3 and plus c we add 4 we get 7. Now we will add b and c first. So 2 plus 4 is 6. We add 1 to it, we get 7. Both sides are equal, so we can say addition is associative for whole numbers. Now we will study subtraction. A minus b, that means 1 minus 2, it comes as minus 1. Minus c is minus 4, it comes out as minus 5. Now b minus c, that is 2 minus 4 in bracket, we get minus 2. So 1 minus of minus 2, we get 1 plus 2, we get 3. Both sides are clearly not equal, so we can say subtraction is not associative for whole numbers. Now we go with multiplication. पहले a and b को मल्टीप्लाई करो। a1 multiplied by 2 we get 2, and then we multiply with c multiplied by 4 we get 8. Now we multiply b and c. 2 multiplied by 4 we get 8, and we multiply with a we get 8. Both sides are equal, so we can say that multiplication is associative for whole numbers. Now we go with division. A divided by b, that is 1 divided by 2. Any number which is divided, then we take reciprocal of that number and multiply it. So we take reciprocal of 2, it is 1 by 2, and we multiply with 1. 1 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, divided by 4, again we take reciprocal of 4 which is 1 by 4, and we multiply, we get 1 by 8. Now we divide b divided by c. 2 divided by 4, that means 2 multiplied by 1 by 4, as we have taken reciprocal of 4. So it comes out as 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 1 by 2, it is, again we take reciprocal of 1 by 2, it is 1 multiplied by 2 by 1, and we get 2. Clearly both sides are not equal, so the division is not associative. Now we study integers a, b, c as minus 1, 2 and 4. हम इसमें एडिशन करेंगे। a plus b, that means minus 1 plus 2, it comes as 1. We add c to it plus 4, we get 5. And now we add b and c. 2 plus 4 is 6, and a is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 6 comes as 5. So we see both sides are equal. We can say addition is associative for integers. Now we do subtraction. In subtraction, we first subtract a and b. A minus b, that means minus 1 minus 2, it comes as minus 3. Then minus c minus 4, it comes as minus 7. Now b minus c, 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. So minus 1 minus of minus 2, minus and minus becomes plus, so it is minus 1 plus 2, we get 1. Since both sides are not equal, we can say subtraction is not associative for integers. Now we take multiplication. First multiply a and b. हमें minus 1 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करने पे minus 2 मिला. Now multiply by c, multiplied by 4, we get minus 8. Now we take b and c and multiply them first. 2 and 4 is 8. It is multiplied by a. Minus 1 into 8, it is minus 8. Both sides are equal, so we can say multiplication is associative for integers. Now we divide. First A divided by B, that, and then divide by C. So A divided by B is minus 1 divided by 2 divided in bracket divided by 4, so it is minus 1. We take reciprocal of 2, it is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, and what we get is minus 1 by 2 divided by 4. Again we take reciprocal of 4, it is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we take other way around, B divided by C, 2 divided by 4. That means we take reciprocal of 4 and multiply with it. 2 multiplied by 1 by 4, we get 1 by 2. So A is minus 1, so minus 1 divided by 1 by 2, we get minus 1 into, we take reciprocal of this, 2. It comes as minus 2. Both sides are not equal. So we can say division is not associative. Now we take rational numbers. 3 rational number लिए A divided by B, C by D and E by F as 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. First we add A by B plus C by D. It is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, and then we add E by F, that is plus 1 by 4. So addition of these two after taking LCM comes as 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. Again we take LCM and add, we get 13 by 2. Now we add C by D plus E by F first, and then A by B is added. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, we add these two first. We take LCM and take the numbers. 1 by 2 plus 7 by 12 is equal to 13 by 12. So we can see that both sides are equal. So addition is associative for rational numbers. Now we take subtraction. A by B minus C by D, then minus E by F. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it comes, we take LCM and it comes as 1 by 6. Now we take E by F minus 1 upon 4. So we take again LCM and solve it, we get minus 1 by 12. Now we take these two, C by D and E by F first. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So we solve these entities in bracket, we take LCM and subtract these two. We get 1 by 12. So now A by B is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. We solve and we get 5 by 12. Since both sides are not equal, so subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Now we take multiply. A by B multiplied by C by D first, and then multiply by E by F. So both of them are multiplied together. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, we get 1 by 6, multiplied by 1 by 4, we get 1 by 24. Now we take C by D and E by F and multiply them first. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, it is 1 by 12, and then we multiply with A by B, that is 1 by 2, we get 1 by 24. We can clearly see both sides are equal, so we can say that the multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now we take division. A divided by B divided by C by D first, and then divide by E by F. So 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So if we want to divide this, we have to take reciprocal of 1 by 3, which is 3. So the result comes as 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. Again we have to take reciprocal of 1 by 4, which is 4. We divide and get the answer as 6. Now A by B divided by both C by D minus E by A divided by E by F in bracket, and we first solve these two. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4, which comes as, we take reciprocal of 1 by 4, which is 4. So we get 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 3. Again we take reciprocal of 4 by 3 and we get 3 by 8. Since both sides are not equal, we can say the division is not associative for rational numbers. Now to sum up the whole, associativity property, addition and multiplication are associative for whole numbers, while subtraction and division are not associative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication are associative for integers, while subtraction and division are not associative for integers. Addition and multiplication are associative for rational numbers, while subtraction and division are not associative for rational numbers. So we finished the associativity property. Tomorrow we'll be starting the next topic. आपके आसपास किसी बच्चे को मैथ समझने में दिक्कत हो, आप उससे वीडियो शेयर करें. अगर उसी की कुछ हेल्प हो सकती है तो मुझे बेहद खुशी होगी. थैंक यू.